Alright, well, hopefully you can hear me because I bought a microphone for this stupid camera and it doesn't fit it. It doesn't work. So, good times, fun things, the way it should be. It's been running around today trying to figure out how I can catch fish. This is the first time I've been ice fishing, so please, by all means, all 13 of you that are watching this, please let me know that I'm doing it wrong. Because I probably am. But I'm going to do my best. I got a few things in here I'm going to try to cast. I got 2 new rods that I haven't really played with yet, so I'm playing with them now. So I'm going to go out here and see what I can do and see what I can mess up and whatnot, and we'll see what happens. So, well, got a hodgepodge of lures today. Just a bunch of crap I threw together by hand here, so hoping to find a deep enough spot. Do a little bit of fishing. It's like 35, 36 degrees out. I'm not really dressed for it. I forgot my camera earlier. That would have been a much better video considering I just strung one of these poles, and as I am trying to cast with them for the first time, I decide that I'm gonna bird nest the one, have to pretty much empty the whole thing off of it, and then once I do that, I then realize that I ain't got quite enough. So then I fix that problem, and then in all my wonderful geniusness, I get one of my best lures stuck, and I have to break the line because I'm not dressed to get in any type of cold water. And so yeah, but here we go. See if I can make anything happen here. So I got this little setup kit here. I got this little goofy looking little minnow thing that I might be able to cast out. I was using this in the river earlier, obviously to no avail, because I'm a super fisherman. So let's see what happens. And bird nest. Should have known, right? Look at that. Fucking phenomenal. Wow. Yep. First cast. How is this even possible? Damn. Seems crazy, like I'm making it worse, but sometimes that works. I'm new to this whole bait caster thing too. Never really used them. So while I figure this out, I'm going to stop wasting memory on this freaking cord and battery power. Be back with you in a minute. So, apparently I was recording that whole time, didn't realize it. And as you can see, I fucking bird nested another one. Great work, Jimbo. Way to go, hillbilly. About to lose that hillbilly card, because you obviously don't know anything about the outdoors. Man, from this freaking YouTube page, you'd think that, I don't know what I'm doing at all. Not a single elk or anything on the page, nothing. And yeah, here I am, jacking stuff up again. I give up. Because I gotta get this freaking bird nest out of this other one. How you doing? Good. Yeah, a little bit, but just trying to get some, these are 2 new poles. I'm trying to get used to using them. And maybe if I catch a fish in the process, it'll be alright, right? Yeah. Yeah, you are. Already got a couple bird nests going. Yep. Have a good day, sir. So, yep, still going here. Hell, I don't know what to do. I'm going to have to cut this shit. Because I honestly, I don't know what the hell happened either. How do I even, I'm just going to have to. I have to reel this shit in and then take it to the truck because of course, you know, I left my little cutter in there. So yeah, alright, walking to the truck. Alright, so since I bird nested the lose pole, I am now working to get all the crap out of it. And I had to cut it. There's just no choice. I had to cut it off. Because, yeah. And so I just casted it here in the parking lot to get as much line out as I could. And then I'm going to have to redo it all. Luckily I do have some line with me, so I can at least get one of these poles working. So, there's that. Probably have to throw this guy out because it's covered in rocks and gravel and probably smells like grease. So, there we go. So that's trash line. Thanks. Sorry, you're looking right at my truck. And me a little bit, I guess, in the reflection there, huh? So let's cut this trash line off. So a lot I'm using is some bullshit I bought off of Amazon. I wanted to try it. It's supposed to be like new technology, camouflage, this, that, and the other. Yeah, I don't know about that. Not 100% sold. But let's see. Where are we here? And if anybody has any tips, by all means, let me know, because I'm just going to start snipping in here. Because that's the only way I really know how to do this. And then I'll just re-spool it. I'm not sure which string is which. Not sure. Eventually, it'll all spool off. Wait a minute. Did I find something? Nope. There we go. Now we're getting somewhere. And maybe I just had too much line on this thing. I don't know. I always feel weird trying to do this YouTube stuff because I'm out here talking to myself, essentially, and where I live in Pennsylvania, people look at you funny. I'm sure people look at you funny wherever you are, but anyway. Damn, this is like a normal fishing trip for me, though. That's the sad part. As I switched to mostly bait casters, I've found myself spending a lot of time unscrewing bird nests. I'm sure I'm doing something wrong, but I was really itching to use these new poles, try them out. See them sitting in my garage, and just wanted to use them. Big kid. So that's definitely not one. Not the end of one. There we go. Pulling stuff out of there. Alright. So we got a couple potentials. Oh, come on. Yeah, probably not getting a whole lot of advice out of 18 subscribers, but hey, if anybody knows anything better on this, let me know, please. It's driving me insane. Last time I had this bad of one where I had to cut it out. This is what worked for me. Just going through snipping shit. Snipping it as you go. There, pull that one through. Let's see about this one. I think I just made it worse. Let's see. Yeah, I'm just gonna have to get rid of all of this, I think. Alright, well, I'm gonna stop the video because I'm pretty sure this isn't what anybody wants to watch, because this is real life, so yeah. Alright, well, I think I found it. So I didn't have to unspool the entire reel, but we'll see. That's what I get for using cheap Chinese-made, European-made, wherever the hell it came from, line that I'm unfamiliar with. But it had a good sales line, had a good tagline on it, you know, saying that you could camouflage this, camouflage that. There we go. Now, let's see where we are. Well, that's about as much line as I got left on there. So, whatever. Right, whatevs. So, reel some in so I can tie this freaking Texas rig back on here. Let's see what happens. So, I use an old knot that my dad taught me. I know there's guys out there that tie multiple knots for multiple different things, and this is the only knot I really know how to tie. So, I do my best with it. That guy's a little bit tore up, so let's get another one here. They're a little smaller, a little better. Yeah, like I said, this is the only one that I have ever really learned to tie other than your old granny knot. So, what I do is you make a loop. Put that loop to the eye of the hook. If you can get it to get small enough. Forget the name of it. There's a name for it, but this is the one my dad taught me and the one I always used. So, you tie it like you tie in your shoes. Take the loop end, loop it, the lure, hook, whatever you're putting on, through the hole, through the hoop, and then you just cinch it down. Make sure everything stays above, like so, and you're good to go. Clip it off, and done. Alright, okay, let's try this again. Just a little bento bait on here. See if I can Texas rig it. See if I can actually cast it. See what happens. I'll walk over here. Oh no. Really? Is it still in there? Oh. After all that work, there's still a dang knot in this thing. Where did it go? Is it gone? Alright, good. Yep, there's a knot in the line. Oh well, I'll fix it when I get home. I'm about over this. I think it's about beer time. So, yeah. This is handicap fishing only. Depends on who you talk to. I'm considered mentally handicapped. Does that matter? It's probably insensitive, huh? Probably offend people. Cold water kills, y'all. Hey, duckies. Quack, 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 quack. All right. All right, no bird nest, but I'm definitely running low on line there. Let's see if anything happens, huh? Anything at all. This will be the first fish I've really ever caught in winter where I wasn't ice fishing, if I catch a fish. Should probably really slow it down, huh? Maybe just drag it real low. Let it bump the bottom. Huh? I'm not sure what I'm doing. Yeah, there's that knot coming through the line. You're hitting the eyes of the pole. Alright. I think I am going to have to jig this. Yeah, definitely going to do something about this line. Let this guy sink for a second. I have no idea how deep this lake is. This is the second time I think I've ever fished out here, so we'll see. It's really not that deep at all. So that's probably why I won't touch a single fish. Near the edge of that ice, what do you think? A little ice over there. I'll tell you, this whole filming thing, like, it's weird. Like, you're not really talking to anybody, so it's like, you don't want there to be like dead air, silence, you know, but at the same time, it's like, who am I talking to? Oh, and we bird nest. Why not? It's today. That's how today goes, right? For the love. Come on. Should have brought my other one. My broken in one. I haven't actually been able to do a little fishing for real, maybe. Like it's really stiff in there. Not sure why. Should have had plenty of time to sink. Come on. Really? Oh well, so much for that 12-pound test, huh? Alright, this video's over. I guess this is life, right? This is a real deal. This is how it works. That's why I said in my little description on the about part, I wanted it to be real life. Well, this is real life. Spend more time dealing with this kind of stuff than you do fishing. Oh, nice little Black Hawk helicopter. Fucking seaweed and stuff all over this thing. So yeah, well, there it is. There we go. Alright. Well, fun times. Fun times. I think this is going to be the end of the video. I'm really over it. Yeah. Alright, so maybe I'm a glutton for punishment. So I just restrung, respooled, whatever you want to say, both of these poles. So, see what happens, right? It's a learning curve. No fishing that way. I mean, is there a fine for fishing from a handicap only fishing spot? Or is that fishing spot only in the blue? I really don't know. But we'll find out. I'm gonna cast out a few more here. I'm getting cold, to be honest. So let's see. Let's do a little test here. And of course we're gonna start that shit already. Yeah, let's just... What am I doing wrong? Why can't I fish halfway intelligently with this shit? Am I hitting something? Do I have too much line on the spool? Like, I don't know what I'm doing. Seriously, what am I doing wrong? You see this? Like, what am I doing wrong? It just keeps doing it. And then I think I get it all out. And then I don't have it all out. See? What the F, man? Don't judge me, duck. Alright, let's see. Alright, well, let's try that. And bird nest. Yes, I love it when it does this. Like, seriously, what the fuck am I doing wrong? Little love. I don't know. I give up. I quit. I quit. I don't know what to do. Like, seriously. And I don't have any more line left, so. Guess we chalk this up. Do you win some, you lose some? And I'm sitting out here freezing my rear end off, trying to, you know, get some line in the water, get a little practice before summer, a real hard-hitting fishing season comes in with my new poles. I'm out here talking to myself, but yet, here we go. Fuck this thing. Gonna reel it in. And I'm done. At least the ducks are enjoying themselves, huh? Quack, 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 quack. Yeah, I don't know what I'm doing wrong. Maybe it's that I just don't know what I'm doing, period. I don't know. I swear, I went to the gun range not too long ago and screwed up all kinds of stuff. Like, things that a rookie does. And, like, I freaking got my whatchamacallit, my bore cleaner, got it stuck in the bore somehow. Then I had a live round, decided it's just going to hang in my pistol. It all boils down to cheap ammo for the 9mm, but still, I mean, I feel like an idiot. Kind of feel like I've never gone fishing before. And that day I felt like I'd never gone shooting before. I don't know what the heck I am doing. Well, hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, like, you know, hit the button, whatever. Give me some subscribers. I don't know. All right.